Once you are into the Hero app, just log into your app, select your vehicle, and now press on the connect on this Bluetooth icon. Now give all the permission to the app, especially the location, SMS contact, and if asked for the permission for run in background, then give it for all the time. Do not restrict the app. Location, allow all time. Contacts, allow. Bluetooth, allow. And turn on your Bluetooth also, allow, and then proceed. Then it will show you the connection for the device. Now you have to go to your motorcycle and pair it with the motorcycle. So now I have given all the permission to the app. Now I'm going to the motorcycle. In the mode, go to Bluetooth pairing, and here in the app press on the connect, and it is asking for the background permission and allow it for all the time. Here you have to find not optimized. Here you have to find not optimized. If you don't find the app here, all apps, find the Hero app here. Do not optimize and press on done. Now it has the background connection. Now we have given the background running in the background permission. Now go to proceed and connect. Now it is showing me the motorcycle. Select it. The name is already saved as Red Wing. Save and connect. Pair and connect. Pair and connect. It is asking for the pin 8, 9. It is asking for the pin 8, 9, 2, 2, 2, 9. The pin it is showing on the motorcycle's display screen here. You have to enter this pin and pin retains. Okay. Now it is connected. Said okay. Now go on navigation. Now search your destination. Okay. It's just a random location I am searching for. Navigate. Press on start. Press on start. Now it is showing the navigation on the screen. So now you just have to turn off the screen and it will run in the background because you have already given the permission to run it in the background. This is how you connect with the Hero app and navigate.